Welcome to the Vector Garden with a quick tip about the new enclosed selection mode. You know that when you select something with a selection rectangle, then Illustrator selects everything that has been just touched by that rectangle. So if I now lift it, then everything that has been touched gets selected. And the enclosed selection mode works differently. And it can only select those objects that are fully enclosed, and everything that has just been touched doesn't get selected. But it's very different than other modifier key usage in Illustrator. When you are drawing something, then you know you can press the tilde key or other keys on different languages, and then you get this, like so. You hold down the tilde and you get that. And once you lift up the key, it's gone. This is the same when you have select behind. So when you press the command key while clicking something, then you see while watching the cursor, there's this little arrow, and this takes you to select behind, and you select the next object behind when going through the stacking order. Let's stop that, and I'm going to delete all those white things. And now I want to select only the two red rectangles using a selection rectangle. I can start this. This is the normal selection rectangle, and if you now hit the E and immediately lift up, then you are in the enclosed selection mode. And now you can just draw that rectangle, and everything that is fully enclosed gets selected. And you see the top red rectangle is fully enclosed, the bottom one is not. Now, when you're in this situation, then you cannot move the complete selection rectangle. That is not possible. So still you have to watch that you now very carefully choose the point where you start the selection so that you get your selection. So in order to get my selection as I want it, I'm going to start farther to the left and then hit the E and then drag that rectangle around both of them. They are enclosed, and now I can lift up, and then they are selected as I want it. And this enclosed selection mode also works with the group selection tool. So let's check this out. Here we have two groups inside a third group, as you can see in the layers panel here. So if I use the group selection tool just normally, then you see all of these are selected inside both of those groups. But using the group selection tool and then hit the E key, and you see then only those fully enclosed rectangles are selected. So normal black selection tool and the group selection tool that you can find under that direct selection tool. Those two work with the enclosed mode.